Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm gonna sort out our messy garage. Look at that. It's too messy. That shelf. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm gonna sort out our messy garage. Look at that. It's too messy. Well, that shelf we got it from Homebase a few weeks ago, and today may isa pa ulit, that one. So we're gonna assemble this. We put around there, and then mamaya malinis na and mas mukhang tidy na ang garage. Assemble ng shelf. Sorry guys for the mess in our garage, but I can promise that once the shelf is built or assembled, the mess will be over. And now let's open the box. Oops, and now that's the instruction. And we have to take this stuff one at a time because it's a bit heavy, to be honest. It's in the post, and now I have to take the rubber feet. Putting the rubber feet to the post is a bit tricky. You have to tap it many times to secure it.
Dance! Could you be the one? Good, good. Good, good. Could you be the one?
Ideally, this is a two-man job, but well, one person can do it, but it's a bit tricky. But it's better if you have two persons to assemble it. Now the base is done, so you can see the shelf is standing on its own. Well, let's continue building. Ha 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 ha. now that's the support for the top shelf. Trying to make sure it's holding on the side properly. And that's for the side. Oops, which way? That way. And then pull a bit. Clap. Oops. Could be the upside down. Check again. And then, oops, what's wrong with that one? And guys, have some break, have a Kit Kat, or maybe a cup of tea, coffee, biscuits. While watching my video, it will take few more minutes to complete. Please subscribe to my channel, CLJK Bagsik.
Dance.
Okay, it's nearly there. Few more bits and bobs. The new shelf is complete. And now let's check if everything is in place to make sure everything is secured. Let's move a bit and then check again. And now this is the wire shelving. But first, we have to put the braces there's two braces to support the wire shelving. Right, let's put the wire shelving now. That's the first one. Another braces. That's the second wire shelving. Well, what's wrong? I put it upside down. Check again if it's the right one. Okay, that's correct now. That's the second wire shelving. Now another braces. Two. And the third wire shelving. That's it. Correct. And the last for the top braces. Now this is the wire shelving on the top. And it's done. Oops, not yet. Adjust, adjust, check, and it's done. Alright mga kaibigan, ito. Buo na po siya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Right, ladies and gentlemen, madlang people, and everyone, here is the assembled Homebase shelf. It's nice and very, very strong, and it can hold up to 625 kilograms per shelf. Thank you very much, Homebase.
Thank you very much.
What a wonderful shelf.
Clap. Go. Hey. Clap. Go.
Right guys, after I cleaned the mess, here it is now how it looks like. Not as messy as before. It looks a bit tidy, and I think my next project will be, drum rolls, painting the walls and the ceiling. Well, I haven't decided yet which color. We'll talk about it and will be in my next vlog. Could be sooner or later. Thank you.